What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to another episode on the battle to be Molleur. I'm gonna shut up and get right into it. This episode we got standing seam, black metal roof. Let's get her done.
Like Hank said, us country boys, we come from all around. You can bet your ass you've never heard the name of my little town. It's set up north and way out west and tucked back in the pines. It's alright, it's alright. We don't turn the dirt or work in the fields, no, that's not how we spend our time. Yeah, we've got a thing for making motors crank, shooting whiskey and cooking moonshine. You can find most our boys out hauling logs out past that county line, and that's alright, that's alright. And we'll talk that talk, and we'll walk that walk. Carhartt clad and outlaw bred, good old boys raised on shotgun. You're all welcome here, but don't start no trouble. You might not last a night, and that's alright. We like to roll on up and sit on back and watch that sun go down. And on Friday night we'll load it up and head on out of town. Cut that barbed wire and light that bonfire while good old boys throw down. That's alright, that's alright. And we'll talk that talk, and we'll walk that walk. Carhartt clad and outlaw bred, good old boys raised on shotgun. You're all welcome here, but don't start no trouble. You might not last a night, that's alright.
Yeah, boys.
Moment we've been waiting for.
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Nice.
God damn, we
Nice
good.
fit.
Yep. God damn, we good.
That. The other side, does it have to be
14-4.
get one of these 16s and use it?
So from 117 to 14-4, we need to cut that hem.
Alright, let me get the big one and start let me get down here and look. Down a little bit. Up a little bit. Right there.
Yeah, got that on camera. Yeah, we'll just try to get up there fast. I'm good, man. Are we in?
Yeah.
Windy, 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 baby. I don't recommend trying this at home. Welcome to my cubicle. That hugged it up a little bit?
It'll work.
20 degrees outside here in the beautiful Rocky Mountains of Colorado, Twin Lakes, Colorado to be specific. Can't tell too much, but we have quite a 60-degree prowl on both our gable walls. Trickiest, or one of the trickiest parts of this standing seam was getting this 60-degree started and perfectly square so that everything ran and finished even down here at the bottom. Another detail is this skirt, this rimboard skirt goes up and over about a foot. Everything has a butyl tape underneath it. We still need to put some screws down here at the bottom into that butyl tape, but really watertight system. Even put a little flashing down here at the bottom. A lot of people's biggest concerns on the A-frame is the, moisture concern down here at the bottom of these walls, and we've made it so with Avrame and this butyl standing seam system to make that as efficient as possible. Last thing we got to do on this house is some siding, some hardy board siding, but we did do Z closures, which is a Z bar that kind of acts as a watertight barrier so nothing can travel up and underneath, both on our ridge cap, which was super tricky, and our end walls. See down here, got this Z closure, so nothing can tuck up underneath into there. Another component to these standing seam metal roofs, and when we say standing seam, we mean snap lock system with screws on the left side of the panel and the snap lock on the right, so that there's no exposed screws or fasteners. You know, on those pro panels, which I do love to do on the metal roofing, the biggest concern longevity-wise is the rubber grommets that just get weatherized after 10 years. You have to go in there and replace those rubber grommets. We've made it so that this standing seam has near to none of those. That Velux and our skylights and the Velux flashing was one of the most difficult parts and aspects and components, but it sure does look good now. 2 more skylights, and because of the extreme pitch, I believe it's 18/12, which is 60-degree pitch, no snow will really ever collect on this A-frame between the steepness of the pitch and the grade, and then it being black matte roof, metal roof, to where the solar that does hit on this is going to really melt and leak everything down here on the bottom. We worked really hard to bulletproof these valleys. I don't know if let me get you guys as high as I can up there. Then we tucked the ridge cap on the entry dormer into and underneath our metal panels on our main roof. Hope you guys learned a thing or two. As always, thank you so much for your support, for being part of the channel. If you haven't already, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel. Just got over 1,000 subscribers after 2 years of organic traffic and good people like you being part of the channel. So thanks, and we'll see you guys next time.
coming across the creek. Z71 headlights shining through the trees. Boys spill out of the backseat and ask me, what's it gonna be tonight? I said I'm just trying to get loose, trying to set the mood. Don't matter what we do, as long as we're out there